大家好，我是那个是大学科学院的这个老师。Okay, today we're going to learn rules of stroke order and writing Chinese character. You know, when writing all these characters, we have some rules for beginners, for those that just learning Chinese. Okay, let's go. So the first one, rule number one says horizontal preceding what vertical, like horizontal before vertical. An example, when you're writing 10, when you're writing 10, first of all, it was horizontal, which is hong, right?
Yes.
Then horizontal, then shu. So this is what 10, which is what 10 in Chinese character. And another example, when you're writing gong, that is walker, gong. First one is what? Hong, then hong shu, then hong shu, hong. This is what? Gong. That is gong like walker, like gong rent walkers, or gonzo walk. Very good. Then example 2 is what? Left following preceding right following. That is left before right in a simple way. Then example of this is when you're writing what? Ba. Ba is what? 8. When you're writing ba. So first of all, left, then before the right. Do you understand?
Yes.
Then another example is what? When you're writing ren. Ren is what?
People.
Pierre. That is left, then before the na, which is what? Right. So this is the rule. Then the third one, top preceding the bottom. That is the top before the bottom. The top before the bottom. Example is when we are writing R. That is E-R. R. That
Number
is 2. So first of all, the one on top, that is home. Then before I write the second home. Then another one example is when you're writing san. San is what? Tree in Chinese. So we have hong. Actually, you can do it like this, biggest, or you can also write it like this, hong. Then the one inside will be the smaller, whether I use like this or tree. Okay, this is what? Top before the bottom. Why this one? The left before the right, and one the horizontal before vertical. Then the fourth one is what?
Left preceding right.
Which is what? That is left before the right. Example is when we are writing G. G means what? How many? So when you are writing the character, first of all this, right? Then before this. This is this. So left before the right. Another example is what? Still the ba. You are writing ba. Ba means what? 8. So this left, right, then before the right. Okay. Then the fifth one is outside preceding the word inside. Okay? 4, which is what? 4. First of all, this, then shu hong zhe, right?
Yes.
Remember outside for before the inside, then shu hong zhe, this, then shu hong zhe, and before you close it. So you see, first of all, you put the one outside, the inside, then before you close it. Why? No, the closing one is the sixth one, where the middle preceding the outside. So the middle, the one inside, or inside before the outside. This one is outside preceding inside. That is this outside one preceding inside, preceding outside, preceding inside. Guo. What is guo? Country. So when I'm writing guo, first of all, this shu hong zhe, shu hong zhe, hong shu hong zhe, hong shu hong zhe, hong shu hong zhe, hong shu dian shu hong zhe, hong shu dian hong, then close it. So if you want to count how many strokes, go 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. Why this one? 1、2、3、4. Okay, so the sixth one, which is middle preceding the outside, is what? It's preceding sides. Okay, we have what? Example, we have xiao. We are writing what is xiao? Xiao
Small.
means what? Small. So we're writing with middle first. This is middle, then here, then here. Now, this is it. Then the next one, another example is what? Shui. When we're writing shui,
Water.
shui means what? Water. Shui. So when writing shui, first of all, what? The shoe go right.
Yes.
Then this, then this, then before this. So first of all, this, then this, then this. Okay, this is true. So now let's recap. So the first rule is what? Horizontal preceding the vertical. For example, 十, then writing 十 and gong for workers. The second one, left calling preceding the right calling. When you're writing ba, first of all this, before this. When you're writing ren, here, then before now. Then the third one, top preceding the bottom, like top before the bottom. When you're writing a, the one on top before the one down, sound the same. Then the fourth one, left preceding the right, right left before the right. Example, when you're writing G, G is what? How many?
How many?
And when you're writing ba, that's the same ba, 8. So the left before the right. Then fifth one, outside preceding inside. First of all, when you're writing si, first of all, write the one outside, inside, then before you close it. Example, go, when you're writing go, country. The one outside, then before the inside. Then the sixth one, the middle, preceding the sides. So, first of all, when you're writing xiao, which is small, the center one, then before the side. The center one, and after the center one, then remember it's left, right, before the right. Center one, then left one, then before the right one. Okay, I hope this will help us in our learning Chinese characters. 再见。